Yes. My name is Sneha Joshi, and I have experience of 12 plus years, and I have my own practice, two centers at Bhandup and Thane. And challenges before doing the course were conversions of the inquiries which I used to get. कि पहले ही people used to say, कि what are the charges? They used to start from there. एंड जब मैम का ये सेशंस देखते थे शी यूज्ड टू से कि आप जब बोलना स्टार्ट करोगे तो वो पेशेंट भूल जाएगा चार्जेस के बारे में तो कि अरे मतलब मैम बोल रही है इसलिए बट एक्चुअली होगा क्या ऐसे बट सिंस लास्ट फ्यू डेज आई कुड एक्सपीरियंस दिस कि एक्चुअली पीपल फॉरगेट अबाउट चार्जेस when we start counseling. So that was like, I mean, the amazing experience. And जो आपने बोला वैसे ही हुआ. तो इट्स नॉट लाइक कि बिफोर द कोर्स हम लोग को जो लगता था कि अरे एक्चुअली होगा कि नहीं तो डेफिनेटली 110% ऐसे होता है वॉट एवर यू पीपल हैव प्रॉमिस्ड दैट आई कैन डेफिनेटली से एंड द सेकेंड थिंग वाज दिस थिंग कि पेशेंट्स को कन्विंस करना कि व्हाट एक्चुअली वी डू मतलब पहले से होता था कि व्हाई शुड वी से व्हाट ऑल वी आर डूइंग कि मतलब उसका क्या इम्पोर्टेंस होगा पर जैसे मैम ने डिटेल में सब कुछ एक्सप्लेन करते थे तो वो अभी करते हैं तो पेशेंट गेन्स कॉन्फिडेंस ऐसे तो दिस टू थिंग्स हैव ओवरकम एंड जर्नी वाज फैंटाबुलस लाइक आफ्टर एवरी सेशन आई वाज सो एक्साइटेड कि अभी नेक्स्ट सेशन में क्या you had already with every session you had increased the ये जो par excellence so with every session ऐसा लगता था अरे अभी next क्या ये तो पता ही नहीं और क्या जानेंगे extra ऐसे तो you have covered it 360 degree I would say everything and success story is like since last so many days maybe a week or so there are मैंने जितने भी पेशेंट को ट्रीटमेंट कोर्स के बारे में बोला ईच एंड एवरीवन हैज गॉट कन्वर्टेड इनटू मिनिमम 10 के ट्रीटमेंट कोर्स so 10. That is a huge success story I would say.
No, 10 you said?
10K, yes.
10K, that means 30 days. Yeah. Great. Yeah. Okay. Charges ki baare mein. Right. Okay.
So almost to each and every patient to whom I had told about this, everyone have got convinced about it.
Excellent.
So that is a huge success story I would say.
Right.
And transformation, yes, confidence definitely. I was not that confident कि what should I tell मतलब patient को जब inquiry आती है तो what should we say तो वो confidence level has like skyrocket I would say.
Right.
And patients का confidence वो me while we talk जो चीजें बोलते हैं क्या बोलना है क्या नहीं बोलना है that I've learned it from you guys and पेशेंट का एक कॉन्फिडेंस दिखता है जब हम बात करते हैं कि नहीं we have come to a right place.
Right.
So that is there. Future plan तो यही है कि like I've got 2 clinics so I wish for few more branches now. Good. And like ma'am have you are a role model for me ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Message for the patient is like I highly recommend this course मतलब course हम लोग जब सोचते हैं थोड़ा बहुत लगता है अरे फीस एंड ऑल बट blindfoldedly people should opt for this मतलब जितना course fees है you will end up getting I mean sky is the limit for this.
Right.
That is what I would say. So just don't go for fees ये है वो है आप बंद करके ये course को opt कर लीजिए. And I'm really looking forward for your next level 3 also ma'am.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Sure. Okay. So how many patients you have per branch now, Sneha?
In a sense, every day or how?
Per day.
Per day, say 8 to 10.
8 to 10 patients. Okay. So new patients कितने आते हैं per branch?
Maybe एक patient maybe after 2-3 days.
Okay.
But
so 2-3 days. Alternate days भी अगर आप समझेंगे तो 15 patients.
Yes, sir.
15 patients per month, 10 to 15 patients.
Definitely.
Right. Okay. Per branch I'm talking about, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So with this, do you have an revenue per branch as 1 to 1.5 lakhs now?
एक branch का है, दूसरे branch का अभी नहीं है.
नहीं है. Okay. So what is the lagging there? What do you think?
What is the?
What is the lagging there?
Maybe the footfall patients का थोड़ा कम है एक branch में.
How is the conversion there?
Conversion is definitely good as I said, but थोड़ा ये है मतलब footfall कम है वहाँ पे. और maybe वहाँ पे भांडू पे थोड़ा rate ज्यादा है एक branch में regarding conversions also. यहाँ पे थोड़ा maybe 10-20% would be less.
Right. Okay. So because of the footfall, basically you are saying you need to reach that level yet. Okay. Yes, otherwise, the conversion is better, right? Yeah, so right. Focus on that clinic. Okay. Focus on that clinic. How far between these two distance between these two clinics?
Distance is around 8 kilometers.
8 kilometers. So you are nearer to one branch, or you are in the middle of this?
No, I'm very near to one branch.
One near to any. Okay, that's what. Okay, so even 8 kilometers in Mumbai is hardly anything as such. Do you have a train there?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, so you travel through train?
Yes. Just 10-15 minutes by train.
Okay, so do you regularly visit there? How is it?
No, twice a week.
Twice a week?
Yes.
Okay, good. I hope you are focusing on operational level management also.
Yes.
Right. Okay. And have you been through that systems that I have mentioned? CMS, clinical management. Do you have software currently? No.
No.
Okay. So you are getting that support also. Make use of the system as such. Okay. Make use of the system. It's hardly any charges that I'm doing it, right? Because when you have the branches, it's very important that you need to have the real-time data as such. Okay. And through that data itself, you are going to control a lot the clinics as such, right? So that will help you. Okay. And I hope you also have certain how many physios are there? 1, 2? One physio. Okay. So experienced? Kaise hai?
Experienced, yes.
Okay. So and how to train them? Train that these things on PVPA protocol?
Like I just guide her that way.
Okay. So see, what happens, Sneha, is when you are growing, try to reduce your energy. Okay, save your energy, right? Save your energy, save your time, and focus on growth, right? So you can also send them on training, okay, for another things where we are going to train them on what is required for their job as such, right? The management topics in terms of an operations, marketing, and the HR are not covered there, but they'll be getting the other parts, okay, that assessment, the diagnosis, then the treatment, okay, and the mindset part, the pricing part, and everything, so that you can straight away get the things done from those people also, right? So that your efforts is going to be reduced, and of course in an this thing, what is that? You can put your terms very strongly, okay, in terms of in case if you leave before a year, then 2 months this thing will be there, right? So that's how you are going to, they'll also feel the learning, right? They'll also see that there is a huge learning they have received from you, and they are going to implement on a regular basis as such. Okay, that gives them a lot of confidence in terms of recovery, and when they work with you for a year, 2 years, and all those things, okay, so they can always get that confidence from you, and they can also open up on clinics. Okay, of course depends on the area as such, okay, but they'll be in good terms with you, right? So think on that, okay, and because for your growth you need to see to it that you work efficiently. Okay, try to don't get involved too much physically. Okay, try to handle with systems. Okay, that will reduce your efforts as such, right? So if you're not gone through that CMS system as such, okay, go through that. I'll basically have you very
No, I'm not getting which one you are talking about.
recently, I think on last Sunday,
Last to last Sunday.
last to last Sunday, I have taken a session on clinical management software. Okay, so the system that we are following, the system that we have built. Okay, for the system that we have built and follow in our clinics as such. Okay, so we are giving the same system to you also now, right? So that you can put it into practice, and a lot of operational controlling will be done from that particular. I'll share you that this thing course. Okay, you can.
Yes, sir, please.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, the same way telephysiotherapy also. Okay, now you don't need to say that अगर कहीं दूसरे जगह पे रहते हैं तो physiotherapy कैसे करें. Okay, so that system is also being given to you. Okay, so that you can take the patients online, right? That is also option available with you, right? Good, Sneha. Nice to see that you're growing. Okay.
How was your camp experience? Free
Yeah,
camp?
it was good. It was good. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you
Yeah,
so
yeah.
much.
Yeah.
So with that, you can now easily conduct future camps also.
Definitely.
So how to? So you got the conversions over there?
A single conversion I got from there.
Okay, no problem. Even single conversion will bring next 10 patients.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Acha, Sneha, now she reminded me, so that's the reason I'm saying this. Okay, डरो मत बहुत,
हाँ,
ठीक है ना? डरने की जरूरत नहीं, पहले आने तो दो,
बिंदास करो.
ठीक है? पहले आने तो दो, उनको बोलने तो दो कि मैम आप मेरे से असेसमेंट नहीं ले रहे हो, सॉरी ट्रीटमेंट नहीं ले रहे हो. Treatment is not a part of a free camp. Okay, what you are basically supposed to be there do is one, the education part, and second the assessment part, and you are basically prescribing them कि किसको कितना दिन लगने वाला है, diagnosis करने के बाद कितना दिन treatment लगने वाला है. That treatment anyway they have to come to the clinic. ठीक है? And secondly, समझो ज्यादा patients हो गए, good. They'll see that yes, you have a lot of patients, you do not have the time for an assessment, so you can always tell them that because of not many patients as such, okay, I'm just getting your data over here, and will tell you what are the things that you need to do, what's your this thing, but okay, you can come to the clinic. Okay, वहां पे मैं आपको free assessment करूंगी, I'm not going to take an consultation charges. Done. Okay, तो वहां पे आने दो, वहां पे शुरू करने दो ना, डरने की बात नहीं इसमें, है ना?
Within 1 week they can utilize that.
राइट, सो वहां पे यहाँ पे फ्री कर रहे हो ना कंसल्टेशन, ठीक है ना? तो क्लिनिक में आ जाओ, मैं वहां पे कर लूंगी, ठीक है ना? किसी को प्राइवेसी का प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, राइट? प्रोबेबली इट इज एज यू मेंशन्ड, इट वाज एन ओपन स्पेस, ठीक है ना? तो कोई बात नहीं है, एजुकेशन दो, क्लिनिक पे बुलाओ, ठीक है? वहां पे प्राइवेसी भी मिल जाएगी, ठीक है? आने से पहले अगर सोचते बैठेंगे ना कैसे करेंगे, इतना हो गया तो उतना हो गया, तो कर नहीं पाओगे. Problem is कर नहीं पाओगे. Okay, the people who thinks more, their actions become slower. Right. So jump, आने दो, जितने आने दो, लाइन में खड़ा होने दो, कोई बात नहीं है. Okay, जितना आप कर सकते हो genuinely करना, बाकी वालों को चाहे तो जो है ना, okay, since there are number of people, there are more people, so I have extended this consultation period, okay, for 1 week in the clinic also. So don't worry, you're not going to lose anything, ठीक है ना? तो just उनको number दो, बोलो कि आने से पहले call कर लेना, I will take the assessments and consultation, okay, at the clinic itself, no worries, ठीक है ना? तो ऐसे करना है, okay, डरते नहीं बैठना है, ठीक है? Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Without both of you, I could have not reached here. I would definitely.
नहीं, अभी बहुत आगे जाना है, बहुत आगे जाना है. ये शुरुआत है. Okay, मैं इसमें खुश नहीं हूँ, जो सिर्फ 1 लाख में खुश नहीं हूँ, right? So when you have when we open up a branches, okay, what happens is we have lot many other responsibilities also, like taking care of our employees, rental, right? Then the other charges, there are other charges, lot of charges are there. Okay, marketing charges बन जाते हैं, so there has to be a growth, there has to be a more income, right? So उसको बढ़ाना जरूरी है. Okay, so वो तभी possible है जब आप अपना focus growth में करोगे और less of physical efforts में करोगे. ठीक है, for which we are already giving you the systems. Okay, and don't think this is the end, this is the beginning as such, right? So हो गए, कोई problem नहीं है. Okay.